Okay, so when we do basic cha-cha, so what is the basic cha-cha? We have a rock, step, then we have a cha-cha lock, then we have a check to replace backward walk, then we have a backward lock step. Cha-cha-cha. So how can we make it more interesting? So we add only 2 points to it. Instead of doing the classic rock step, which is very good too, we're gonna add a little bit power and a little bit more cha-cha feel to it. We're gonna go 2. So this is called foot change. So basically, instead of going full step back, we do like a half step back, sliding this leg here and using our shoulder to hip, boom, connection, but not full. We'll still leave a little bit for replacement. So you go 2, and then you have and 3, and the recovering 3 with a strong right side. So this will be 2, 3. So we add this element 2, 3. So it's going to be a little bit faster. So try it here. 2, 3. Now from here, how to make it even more fun here. So instead of just going regular like step, we're going to add a little bit hip twist. So using side forward, charging our hip forward, go and then continue with the easy like step, cha-cha-cha. So those 2 elements already will make it more exciting. So you go and 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. One more time. So you have 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. And here we'll do regular 2, 3. And for the backward leg step, we'll do exactly the same. We'll send this leg and hip a little bit faster back. Cha, cha, cha. And 2, 3, and cha, 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 2. And sometimes when we have time, we can do a little bit hip circle. 3, cha, 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 2, 3, cha, 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 2, 3, cha, 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 2.